While this goes on, we must also look into why adequate precautions were not taken in this respect. But first and foremost, we have to ensure that terrorism does not lift its head in Sri Lanka. We cannot allow that. And we are prepared to take all measures necessary to ensure that terrorism is contained and wiped out in this country. Therefore, the police and the armed forces are taking necessary action, and I must, on this occasion, in addition to offering my grief for the 200-odd people who died, we will get all assistance possible from Sri Lanka and outside to contain this menace and to wipe it out. What I would like to ask the people is to give the security forces all their support and ensure that there is no miscommunication which leads to other incidents, because then you are diverting the attention of the security forces away from this important investigation. What we should do is hold our unity as Sri Lankans and ensure that we wipe out this menace once and for all.